Playing badminton offers several benefits for both physical and mental well-being. Here are some of the key benefits. Badminton is a fast-paced sport that involves running, jumping, and quick movements. Regular play improves cardiovascular health, enhances stamina, and helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Number 2. Muscle strength and endurance. The sport requires the use of various muscle groups, including the legs, arms, and core. Playing badminton helps in building strength and toning muscles and improving overall endurance. Number 3. Agility and reflexes. The quick movements and action, rapid changes in direction during a badminton game enhances agility and reflexes. It helps in improving coordination, balance, and reaction time. 4 is bone health. The jumping and lunging actions involved in the badminton contribute stronger bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. It is especially beneficial for young individuals and their bone development phase. Number 5 is mental well-being. Engaging in physical activities releases endorphins, which are known as feel-good hormones. Playing badminton helps in reducing stress, improving mood, and promoting mental relaxation. Number 6 is social interaction. Badminton can be played as a singles or doubles game, providing opportunities for social interaction and building relationships with other players. It promotes teamwork, communication, and sportsmanship. And number 7 is we have cognitive benefits. Badminton requires strategic thinking, decision making, and quick reflexes. I love badminton because it is a fast-paced and exciting sport that combines athleticism, strategy, and skill. It provides a great workout, improves agility and coordination, and offers a fun way to socialize and compete with others. Badminton also promotes teamwork, sportsmanship, and mental focus. Overall, it is a sport that brings joy, challenges, and a sense of hope. And that's all